How to cancel an order on Interactive Brokers. If you placed an order and need to cancel it, I'll show you step by step how to do it. So just start by logging into your account right here, where you can also use the Trader Workstation, Client Portal, the mobile app. After that, you just open the Orders tab. This will display all active, pending and filled orders. Only orders that haven't been executed yet can be cancelled. Find the order you wish to cancel, click on it, and you'll see the option to cancel order as shown in here. Cancel and cancel orders on page. On mobile, tap the order, then select cancel from the menu. And once you confirm, the status of your order will change to cancelled. If it was already executed, you won't be able to cancel, and you would need to place a closing trade instead. So also make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you, and I will see you in the next tutorial.